Hey, what's up YouTube, Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to fix a toilet with a broken handle. This is just the toilet lever that's completely broken off. Let's take off the top of the tank here and take a look. Now we've got the water turned off, which is right down here. Just this little angle stop. If you want to turn that off, just tighten that all the way to the right, and then you can pull up on the chain and flush it, which in this case the owner's already done that. So we've got a completely broken toilet lever here. You can see the chain's still in good shape, but the arm is broken off here. It's just plastic. It's pretty common. This is a replacement we picked up. It does have a white handle, but I don't think that's going to matter on this one. But it's a real quick and easy job. I'll show you how easy it is to change this handle out. Now really the only thing you need is a pair of pliers, or a crescent wrench is fine too. This is like a little plastic nut. And the thing that you need to know on this is righty loosey, lefty tighty, because this is counterclockwise. This is a reverse thread. So we'll start by taking this one off. When that's trash. And then same with the arm here. You can see this one was on the second to the last hole in this arm. That's easy enough to undo. Just pick this up locally, but you can find these online. They do come in different color handles. You can see that this arm here is metal. I went with that instead of the plastic one, hoping that this will last longer. Just unthread the nut that's already on there. Again, the threads are reversed. And just feed that through the opening in the toilet. And then we need to put the nut over the arm and then thread it on here. Now again, you can use pliers on this. It's not a really tight fit. Just make it snug. Don't get carried away or you can potentially crack this porcelain. Now if you grab the old arm, and remember our chain was here in the second hole, but this arm looks like it's a little bit longer if I compare the two right next to each other. I'm not going to worry about cutting that off because that's not going to get in the way of anything, but I'm going to put the chain in this third hole right here. It looks like it's a little bit closer to where it was. This chain is a little long, but you can see that that's been looped back around. And as long as that doesn't get down into the flapper, into the valve, you should be fine. So when you push down on the handle, you should still have just a little bit of play or a little bit of slack before that flapper pops open like that. This should be good. Let's go ahead and turn on the water and test it. I like to open those up and then turn them back a quarter turn. All right, so again, you should have a little bit of play here in the handle before that flapper pops up. But let's go ahead and test it. Looks like we're in good shape. And you're done. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a similar replacement lever for your toilet as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.